What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just want to give you a quick hit of this head cover here because this is a dopey dog. Some people call me Dopey Dog. Hey there, I'm a dopey dog. And I thought it was super cute. And I believe, again, Craftsman Golf, another fine product from them. They make just the most whimsical, artistic stuff. And if you like to add just a little bit of whimsy to your golf game, why not? You know, because we're all laughing at your golf game. Might as well have stuff that just shows you don't take it too seriously. So you can see here, man, this guy is plush. The big butt end opening here, you know, and you can see nylon lined. This thing is super plush. Honestly, if I got stuck out in the wilderness in the winter, I would kind of curl up in here and sleep in there. I bet that would keep you warm. So, hello, I'm Dopey Dog. And does it fit your driver? Well, like I said, it's pretty big. It's kind of like a kid's toy. Big legs sticking out there. But got my ERC driver here, and I thought, well, why not just try and see if this big 460cc head will fit into Dopey Dog here. Dopey Dog. Yeah, look at that. See the shaft sticking out there, but that seems to fit in there just fine, and he doesn't mind. And the thing about this is, it's not super long. I mean, I guess it's pretty long. It's going to give your shaft protection, which is the kind of protection you want. But I would say that most of those new leather head covers will probably come down here. So I feel like this is actually going to hover a little bit above the rest of the stuff in your golf bag and, you know, just look pretty cool. Provide a lot of protection, but not, you know, droop down and, you know, interfere with the other clubs in the bag. So if you want to pick up Dopey Dog, actually, I have no idea if this is Dopey Dog, but he just looks like Dopey Dog, and it's alliterative, right? Isn't that what you say when the consonants sound alike? Anyway, hey, if you want to pick up this guy, add a little friendliness, approachability to your golf game, I'll put a link to him in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.